You were born between Cape Reinga and the Bluff. You came from the islands, Asia and Australia. You travelled from Europe, the Americas and Africa. You love onion dip, Richie and backyard cricket. You eat fish and chips, drink L&P and eat pavlova for dessert. You cheered when Loda won gold and felt proud when Team New Zealand took home the cup, and experienced despair at the end of each Warriors season. You say words like choice, sweet as, and can easily communicate with your eyebrows. You went to Kaiteri, the Mount and Whangamata. You know where to find a dairy, how to wear jandals and wash your face with a flannel. You've seen Shortland Street more times than you'd like to admit, said goodnight to a Kiwi, done a drunk haka more times than you can remember, played 10 guitars and sung Tu Te Mai, and when it mattered most and New Zealand was facing its darkest days, you shared in everyone's pain and you held your neighbour, you volunteered. Being a Kiwi is many things, but one thing is for certain, we don't know how lucky we are.
We don't know how lucky we are. Get it right. We just don't realise how fortunate we are. We have no idea of the luck we possess. Collectively, we just don't know how lucky we all are. Full stop.